Have you ever dreamed of making $15,000 every single month just by posting videos on YouTube? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the secret. Thousands of people are doing it, even kids and beginners. The real question is, can you do it too? Well, let me tell you, the answer is a big yes. Let me tell you a quick story about Tom. Tom was just like you. He loved watching YouTube videos but never thought he could make them. One day, he decided to try. He picked up his old phone, recorded a funny story about his pet cat, and uploaded it. Do you know what happened next? Nothing. Yup, his first video got only 20 views. But Tom didn't give up. He kept making videos, and after some months, boom, by the deal. One of his videos went viral. Today, Tom is making more than $15,000 every single month from his YouTube channel, all from his little bedroom. Before we jump into this exciting guide, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free and you'll never miss helpful videos like this. So, how did Tom do it? And how can you do it too? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Pick your topic, niche. The first step is simple but super important. You need to choose a topic for your channel. This topic is called a niche. Don't be scared of this word. It just means, what are you going to make videos about? Think about what you like. Do you love playing games? Make gaming videos? Do you enjoy cooking? Make cooking videos. Do you have a funny pet? Share pet videos. Love telling stories? Start a story channel. Know something cool? Teach it to others. Tom loved funny pets, so he started making videos about cats and dogs. The good thing is, you don't need to be an expert. Just have fun and make videos about something you like or something people search for on YouTube. Search for other channels in your topic. Look at what is working and what people love watching. Step 2. Create simple videos. Many people think that to start a YouTube channel, you need a big camera, expensive lights, and a fancy studio. But the truth is, you don't. In fact, in 2025, most phone cameras are so good that they can easily record high-quality videos, sometimes even better than the big cameras used in old TV studios years ago. So, if you have a phone, you are ready to start. Along with your phone, you can use some free and easy apps to make your videos look nice. For editing your videos, you can use CapCut, which is simple and perfect for beginners. To create attractive and colorful thumbnails, the pictures people see before clicking your video, you can use Canva. And of course, you will need YouTube Studio to upload and manage your videos easily. The best part is that you don't need to make your videos super fancy. People on YouTube love simple, fun, and natural videos. Even a short video showing something interesting, funny, or helpful can get lots of views. Your video doesn't have to be perfect. What matters is that it feels real and enjoyable to watch. Don't wait until you have the perfect camera or the perfect idea. Just start with what you have. Many simple videos have gone viral and reached millions of views because people love the story or fun inside them, not because they were perfectly edited. Step 3. Upload videos smartly. Now, this is where the magic happens. Uploading videos the right way. Tom didn't upload once a month and then disappeared. No. He made sure to upload at least 2 or 3 videos every week. At first, nobody watched. Only his mom and 2 friends liked the videos. But slowly, as he kept posting, YouTube started showing his videos to more people. YouTube likes creators who keep posting regularly. It's like planting seeds. The more you plant, the more fruits you get later. Step 4. How to make money from your channel. So, where does the money actually come from on YouTube? Many beginners think YouTube only pays for views, but the truth is, there are many ways to earn money. The first and most common method is YouTube ads. Once you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will allow ads to appear on your videos. Every time someone watches or clicks on these ads, you earn a small amount. These small amounts may not seem big at first, but when more people watch your videos every day, the money adds up and can become a full-time income. But ads are just the beginning. Many YouTubers also make money through sponsorships. This means companies pay you to show or talk about their products in your videos. Even small channels can get sponsors if they have a loyal audience. For example, if you make videos about cooking, a cooking tool brand might pay you to show their products in your video. Another powerful way to earn is through affiliate links. This is when you share links to products. And if your viewers buy something using your link, you get a part of the money, called a commission. Many creators put affiliate links in their video descriptions. When people trust you and like your content, they are more likely to buy through your links. Lastly, you can make money by selling your own products. These could be simple things like t-shirts, ebooks, or even online courses. Many creators start small by designing a few items or writing a short guide related to their niche. As the channel grows, selling your own products can become a big source of income. And here's a very important tip. You don't have to wait until you have millions of views or thousands of subscribers to make money. Many small YouTubers start making their first dollars through affiliate links and small sponsorships even before they are eligible for YouTube ads. So, don't wait. Start using these methods from the very beginning. Step 5. Grow to $15,000 a month. Now comes the best part. How can you grow from making just $100 a month to reaching that big $15,000 goal? Tom did it step by step, and you can too. The first smart move Tom made was simple. He started making more videos. Instead of making just one video a week, he tried to make 2 or even 3. More videos meant more chances for people to find his channel. Then, Tom learned about thumbnails. He noticed that the picture people see before clicking the video, called the thumbnail, is super important. At first, his thumbnails were simple and plain. But after watching some free YouTube tutorials, Tom started making colorful and fun thumbnails that made people want to click. Slowly, he also worked on his editing skills. He didn't learn everything in one day. He just learned a little more each week and made his videos better and better. When Tom started making a few $100s every month, he decided to invest some of that money back into his channel. He hired a video editor from Fiverr to help him edit faster, so he could focus more on making videos and thinking of creative ideas. He even asked one of his friends to help him come up with video topics and funny scripts. This way, Tom was able to make more videos without feeling tired all the time. Secret tips for beginners. Let me share some of Tom's secret tricks. Use AI tools. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you write video scripts. Other AI tools can even make voices or edit videos for you. Faceless videos. If you are shy, you don't even have to show your face. Many channels make videos using just pictures, voice, or even text and earn thousands. Copy and improve. It's okay to look at viral videos and make your own version with better ideas. Tom did this a lot. How long will it take? This is a common question. Tom didn't get rich overnight. It took him 6 months to reach his first $1,000 month. Then, after 1 year, he was making over $5,000 a month. By year 2, he crossed $15,000 a month. So, be patient. If you stay consistent, learn, and don't give up, your channel will grow too. Now you know the full story of how Tom went from zero to making $15,000 every month on YouTube. And guess what? You can do the same. You don't need fancy cameras or a big team. You just need to start, have fun, and keep going. Your $15,000 a month YouTube channel is waiting for you. All you have to do is upload that first video today. If you like this guide, maybe hit that subscribe button. You'll find more helpful tips coming your way. Good luck.